In this video, I will show how to create a real VPS anywhere. KVM. So first open browser search code Sandbox, open and log in and click on Create and select Docker and CL key visibility and VM space, 8 GB RAM and click on Create Dev Box. Wait some time, it is loading. After loading, click on New Terminal. You can delete old terminal after use sudo su and clear after that. Use bash open parenthesis curl dash shTTPS://vps1.jishnu.fun close parenthesis IHVEPUTED. This command in Discord in YT alert channel, and this code credit goes to JISNU. After that, type 4 enter, and it will take some time. Now you can see it is installed. Now click 1 to create new VPS. You can select that you want. I will suggest Debane 11. Put VM name, I will put root and host name. No need to put, just enter username and pass. You have to put root and you can, I am putting pass, but it is now showing, don't worry, it is for Pracy. When it will write, it will not look. But it is white hiding there. After that, click enter and disk. Don't put, just enter. Default is good memory. 7000. You can put, and CPU 3-port, enter again, enter, and again, enter. Now you can VPS is installing, so wait for some time. You can it is installed now. Press enter to count in you. Now we have to start VPS, so type 2, and after selecting start type 1, now you can, it is set up in whole VPS, so it will take so much time, like 5 to 10 minutes. After that, type apt update. After updating, clear and type apt install neofetch-y. This I will put in comment also. You can see it is installing neofetch after that. Again, clear and type neofetch. You can see it is KVM supported VPS. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video.